What if I told you there's a legal way to dodge taxes? Not once, not twice, but 3 times on the same dollar. Hi, I'm Hunter Brockway, founder of Boca Retirement Strategies, here to guide you to a successful, stress-free retirement while spending more and avoiding being killed in taxes. Health savings accounts, or HSAs, are the Swiss Army knife of retirement accounts. Here's what makes them unbeatable. Contributions go in pre-tax, cutting your federal, FICA, and usually state taxes. The money grows tax-free when you invest it, just like an IRA. And when you withdraw it, it's tax-free if used for qualified medical expenses, even Medicare premiums after age 65. Most people treat HSAs like a pass-through wallet, but here's the smarter play. Pay current expenses out of pocket, save your receipts digitally, and let your HSA compound for decades. Then reimburse yourself in retirement tax-free.
Today's video got you thinking about your own retirement planning. I'd like to offer you something to help you see the bigger picture. We've created a tax-smart, comprehensive retirement workbook for pre-retirees and retirees. If there's one thing I've noticed in my years of working with individuals, it's that there's always at least one aspect in the planning process where they say, I haven't thought about that before. No matter how smart they are, how much they've saved, something comes up, whether it be they realize they can spend more than they thought they could. They realize their tax bill is going to be higher in retirement. They are going to leave money on the table with their current Social Security claiming strategy. This workbook is designed to help you walk through the most critical areas of retirement planning with action steps, false beliefs, and areas for you to input your own reflection items. You can download the workbook by going to the link below in the description. If you have any issues with that link, send us an email at contact@bocaretirement.com. If you get through this workbook and you'd like your responses reviewed or have any questions, I'm happy to have that conversation with you too. As always, this is no cost, no obligation, and no pressure. Best of luck.
Here's a little something that's new for 2025 and what you need to remember. You need a high deductible health plan, which is $1,650 minimum deductible for an individual or $3,300 for family. You can contribute up to $4,300 individually or $8,650 as a family, plus $1,000 more if you're 55 or over. Once you hit Medicare, contributions stop, but spending tax-free continues. After 65, non-medical withdrawals are allowed with no penalty, but you do pay the ordinary income tax. Some lesser-known power-ups. One-time IRA to HSA rollovers are great for building the account quickly. Spousal beneficiary rules. You can name your spouse to preserve tax-free growth. Anyone else, it's fully taxable. For legacy planning, reimburse yourself decades later for stored receipts and leave more tax-efficient assets to heirs or charity. Treat your HSA like a mini Roth on steroids, and you could walk into retirement with a tax-free fund for healthcare, long-term care, or even lifestyle expenses without tripping tax landmines. If you have any financial questions, you can send them to contact@bocaretirement.com.